Hi, this is my name is Thomas. This is July 2020 and I'm still at home waiting to go back to work, so I have decided to buy a camera, and the camera got delivered by FedEx right outside right now. So today I'm gonna make an unboxing video. So we'll see how that goes. So let me go and pick it up by the door and get started, okay? Here it is. All right, so I'm gonna start opening this one right now. Here, I think we have the carrying case. Smaller than I expected, but we can easily have the camera anyway. Let's see how we open that. That's nice. Then we have the memory card. Tripod. I bought a kit that has some extra things in for the same price as the camera anyway, so that's how it is when you order it online. This is from B&H Camera on the East Coast, I think they are. And finally here we have the camera itself. So we can open that. Charger. I have to find out what this one is later. Battery and cable and a strap, and then finally the camera. It's an A6100 Sony A6100. So that's how that looks. Alright, I think this is my first unboxing video. So later on maybe I'll have a video on how to use this. I don't know. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.